Well, today seeing we can't go anywhere. I'm going to have a go at putting these mud flaps on the camper. I've got 4 to put on, some big ones to go at the back and slightly smaller ones for the front, so we'll see how we go. It's getting pretty exciting now that this is all ready to go, all washed. Can't wait for tomorrow. First job was to undo those nuts, which probably haven't been done for quite a while. And no matter what job you do, there's always one pesky little screw that won't come out. Oh well, we'll keep working on it. I had to take the wheel off, which I wasn't counting on, but I do like the way that I've got everything organised. Shows some sort of normality, I guess. Now to set the mud flaps, the height of the curb is about 120. So what I've actually done is, just going back to the camper now, to set the height of the mud flaps, and if you have a look down here, I've made myself a bracket that goes all the way along both sides to imitate the height of the guttering, so then I don't rub the bottom of the mud flaps on. I know what I'm like when it comes to gutters. So yeah, that'll take care of that. So now you can see I've got the mud flap sitting on it, which will make it dead flat and exactly the right height. So then I can just mark it off at the top and do that to both sides. Now using a square down the side, it'll mean that the top will be in line with the body, and we know that the bottom will be in the right height. So time to mark it off, drill some holes and get it attached. Well, there you are. Mud flaps on, finally. Yes, I think they look alright. Just come down this side, there's the back ones. And the front ones, a little bit hidden. And come around this side. There you go, you can get a shot there. There's the front ones. So there you go, that's all done. Now all I've got to do is wash this down, and it's going in for graphics. That's it, all washed, ready now to have the decals put on it. There's something going on the side here and something going on the front. Well, it's getting pretty exciting now that this is all ready to go, all washed. Can't wait for tomorrow. Here we are at the wrap shop, going to get the graphics put on the camper. It's getting exciting. Just look at the shine this thing's got, it's beautiful. But boy, you guys made it look so easy. So there you go. I'm really pleased with the way the decals worked out on the camper van. And if you notice, if you have a look at the one on the front of the camper van, it's actually a outline drawing of Auckland City where we are based. So if you have a look, you'll see the tall building which has what they call I think it's a toilet seat on it. And also there's the Sky Tower in the middle and a few other buildings to do with Auckland. So it's town around, it's really our city, but town around I called it because there was a program on TV many years ago during the 60s called Town and Around, and they had it was a great TV program. They had one of the greatest themes. I think it was called Walk in a Black Forest or something like that. So anyway, that's it. That's all the decals done. That's all I've got for this week. So we'll catch you here next week, and don't forget we put up weekly videos, usually come out every Sunday. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. It doesn't cost you anything, it's all free. And also everything that I share with you on this video and a lot of the others we get no commercial gain out of it at all. It's just purely our thoughts. So the places we go to, if their name happens to appear, it's just the fact that we picked them, they didn't pick us. And yeah, we just let you know what we think. So that's about it. I'm going to go and have a haircut next week. So pleased about that. During lockdown we can't go anywhere, but I might be able to get a haircut. Might start looking like George Clooney again. What do you reckon? Yeah, bye.